Hello students, in this lecture I will cover some problems based on areas related to the circles. Basically it is for 10th class chapter areas related to the circles. Okay, now see here, they are asking the area of circular playground is 22176 meters square. Area is given to us. Find the cost of fencing this ground at the rate of 50 per meter. Okay, now see here, if they are saying the area of circle is this, they are giving us the area of this circle. The area is like pi r square. They are saying area is 22176 pi r square. You can write as 22 by 7 r square. R square will be like 7 into 22176 divided by 22. We can find the value of r square like 7 into 22176 divided by 22. This is 7056, and if we take the under root of this part, will be like 84. The radius of this part is 84. Now they are asking about what will be the cost of fencing. If you try to put fence around this circular playground, the length of the wire will be like, or total length will be like, is circumference or perimeter is 2 pi r, that is 2 into 22 by 7 into 84, and they're saying total cost rupees. The total cost will be like cost per meter into meter. The cost per meter is like 50 rupees per meter, and total length is 2 into 22 by 7 into 84. You solve this value, 12 into 12, and 50 into 2 is 100, 22 into 12. We can solve this value, and the total cost will be like 22 into 1 to 26400 rupees. Okay, so they are asking the discussion like area is given, you can find radius. By the help of radius you can find perimeter, and by concept of cost, per meter cost is this, total length into cost will be the total cost of the fencing the ground. Okay, now see one more interesting question. They are saying the diameter of front and rear wheel. If you have seen tractor is like see, rear wheel, front wheel is of 80 centimeter. This is a smaller radius. You can say radius diameter is equal to 0.8 meter. Okay, and for back wheel, the diameter is like, this whole discussion, like the diameter of this part is 2 meter. Now see, let's say if we make simple schematic diagram of tractor. Okay, now tractor is moving in forward direction, and the number of revolutions the rear wheel cover, and this rear wheel covers 1400 revolutions after covering some distance, and you have to find number of revolutions covered by the, you have to find the number of revolutions covered by the rear wheel. Okay, rear wheel, front wheel covers, for front wheel number of revolutions are 1400, and for rear wheel you have to cover. Okay, now see, for front wheel, if I like this, that total distance covered in one round is 2 pi r, number of revolutions is 1400, the total distance covered by the front wheel is d distance is equal to 2 pi r into 400. Now see, for rear wheel, total number of turns covered, number of turns rotated is n, and in one rotation distance covered is 2 pi r prime is equal to distance. Okay, now see, if tractor is moving in this direction, the distance covered by both wheel must be equal. Okay, distance both are the part of the tractor, the distance must be equal. The distance covered by front wheel is 1400 into 2 pi r, and distance covered by the rear wheel is n into 2 pi r prime. 2 pi cancel, 1400 into r. Now the you can replace radius by diameter. 1400 radius, can write d by 2 or n into d prime by 2. Okay, radius equal to diameter of half of the diameter 1400, and diameter of front is 0.8, diameter of back is 2 meter. Then n is equal to 1400 into 0.8 divided by 2, divide with 700 into 0.8, and 70 into 8 or 560. Okay, definitely number of turns will be lesser for the bigger wheel. Now in this question they are asking about the sides of a triangular field are 15, 16 and 17. The triangle, this is triangle, this is triangle. Okay, one side is 15, second side is 16, and second side is 17. Now with the corner of a cow, a buffalo and a horse are tied, separated with the rope of length 7 meter. Now if this at this vertex cow is tied, the cow with the rope of 7 length, it will cover this area. Okay, it will graze this land, this area will be grazed by cow, this length is 7. Okay, now for this triangle, let's say at this turn this buffalo is there, 7 7, this part is covered, and this length horse is there, this part is covered. Okay, now you have to find the total area that cannot be grazed by the 3 animals. Okay, my pencil is less charge, I will charge. I am dropping the question at this moment. We will pick the same lecture in the next part after 5 or 10 minutes.